Hi friends, today's question for the Tableau Desktop Specialist Certification is: when designing a dashboard for multiple devices, which device options are available in the device preview section? So here we are talking about the dashboard device options that are present in the Tableau. If we switch to the Tableau Desktop and see the dashboard, so here we have the option to see the device preview. If you click on this device preview, you will get these four device type options. Okay, so when you click on this drop down, you can see we have the default desktop, tablet and phone. These four options are available. You can select and see the preview of our dashboards. So these are the four options available in Tableau Desktop. Let's see the options and choose the correct answer. So here options we have is phone, tablet, default, phone and tablet only, default, tablet, phone and default. I think this is the correct option, so select that one.